Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to review this Machenike T90 T56 Intel Core i5 9400 desktop. So here we are unboxing the package from Machenike. So Machenike is a Chinese brand in LAZADA which sells laptop, desktop and other peripherals. So we have opted toward this approach, ordering in Lazada instead of going to Gilmore, because in my opinion, stores in Gilmore also orders their parts in China, so it's almost the same. So can offer a much lower price like this one. It's for an i5, it's just 31,999. So if you check sellers in Lazada, you can't see any store that can contest the pricing of this store. So let's see what's inside the box. So here are the mousepad, then the motherboard box, the tools, screwdriver, wires, and the box of the 512 PCIe SSD. This is 6 times faster than your ordinary M.2 SSD. So here is the RGB remote, so you can control the colors inside. Then the wireless mouse that is included as a freebie for this unit. Then this is another power cable in case you need one. Then inside is the motherboard installers, but they didn't include the CD since this unit don't have a optical drive, so probably that's why they didn't include it, but you can download it in the internet if you want. So here now we are opening the box containing the CPU unit. So this takes around 2 weeks to deliver from China. So it has foam on the both sides to support the CPU unit. So let's just watch how it is unboxed. So just enjoy this video. Here are some shots of the desktop. As you can see, this has all the RGB-liciousness included. So it doesn't have the video card, but you still have space on the bottom for the video card. So it has the air outlet at the top as exhaust, then at the side, then the intake of the air is at the front with 3 what you call this, fans. So as you can see, this is very slick. Ooh. As you can see, there are USB ports 3.0 and 2.0 as combination. So to power this on, we have time it, and to boot up the computer, it takes around 9 seconds. So that's fast, 9 seconds. So here you can adjust the lighting using the remote. You can adjust it, but as you can see, the wiring is very clean and the detail is really good. So for 31,000, in the sale it's 30,000. With the other vouchers, etc., you can probably take this at 29,000 with the M.2. As you can see, that's the hard disk, the slide that M.2, the M.2 PCI, which is 6 times faster than normal M.2. So this is really good. So I'll compare this to another video with the Ryzen 5 that we have bad experience when we got it on Lazada, because the CPU fan is not working. But for this one, this is really good. This is highly recommended. If I will what you call this, rate this, I rate this at 10 over 10 because of the build quality, the case quality. As you can see, your money is really worth it for this one. Although it doesn't have the monitor, you have to pay for the monitor, mouse, etc. But this is really worth it, and especially you are now on team blue since you have an Intel i5, which is a very good at gaming and has a long reputation of being having a good quality. So here I removed the case so you can see the inside. As you can see, the wiring is really good. It has it is really well thought, so they really what you call this, wired this as clean as possible. Then here are the fans, very clean, very clean. So you can mount a 1660 Super 6G on here because they sell it on Lazada as well. As a sneak peek, I will review this together with this one, the Ryzen 5 build. That's around 26k with all the monitor, peripherals, etc. And I will compare the wiring, etc. and all the bad experiences I have experienced. So thank you guys for watching and have a good day.